Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are a 9 to 5 worker and you are the type of person that do not have enough time to wait for a particular setup on the chart or to look for a setup on the chart, then this strategy right here is definitely for you. Okay, this strategy is time based, so all you just need to do is you wait for the time. Once you wait for the time, the setup is going to play out within that time. Okay, and it plays out every time. Okay, so you just wait for the time, you wait for the setup, and then you enter your trade, you execute. Very easy. It's a time-based strategy, so there is no such thing as you waiting for a setup without knowing the time is going to come up. Okay, because that's the major challenge of those that probably have like 9 to 5 jobs that they are doing, so they don't have that time to be waiting for a particular setup, just because of their work. Okay, so a time-based strategy is such that I'm going to give you a specific time. That specific time, the setup is going to play out at that time. It happens every day. All you just need to do is to wait for that time. Okay, and the time is not just a single time. Okay, it's not a single time. So if you miss the first one, you won't miss the second one. If you miss the second one, you won't miss the third one. If you miss the third one, you won't miss the fourth one. If you miss the fourth one, you won't miss the fifth one. In case the time I give you tallies with the time you're going to be busy at work, then you have to just leave that time and wait for when you are going to be free. So the time within your free time is when you will now execute the strategy. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So it's a time-based strategy. It's working perfectly well. All right, and it's also good for those of you that you make some money in the market and then you give back the money you've made. All right, that's people that overtrade. Okay, so since you're going to be waiting for a specific time, there's no such thing as overtrading. Once that time elapses, you're not expected to trade again. Okay, so once you've traded within that period, you've seen the setup, you can't trade again unless probably you want to wait for the next time. Okay, but if you don't have a time limit to your trading, your system does not have time, you just come to the charts and anything you see you want to trade, you fall under the trap of overtrading, in the sense that probably your A plus setup shows up and then you trade your A plus setup and you make some money with that instead of leaving the market, just because you don't have a time what's it called, your trading system is not time based. That indiscipline is going to be there. You just continue looking at the chart, you are happy because you've made some money. Something will just keep telling you enter another trade, you just made money, you can make more, and you see probably you see a bullish candle break structure to the upside. Your spirit will tell you take a buy trade, just because you don't have a time limit to your trading. There's no time discipline. You will take the buy trade and the buy trade will turn to a sell trade, and the profit you've made earlier you give it back. So if that is your situation, you need a system that works with time. So if you've traded within that time, you'll be able to discipline yourself not to trade again, because you can't take another trade unless you want to wait for the next period when the setup is going to show up again. Okay, so basically that's just how this particular system works. Okay, so if you need it, all you just need to do is reach out to me. I'll leave a link in the comment section. This is a premium strategy. Okay, it's not one of those ones I just come and drop. Okay, so you just reach out to me in the comment section, then from there we can take it up. Okay, so basically that's all I have for you right now. If you're a new viewer to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.